Okay, good morning everyone. So today I'm with Sebi and he's a collector of Pokemon cards. Okay, so we are going to unbox the cards. Okay, so this is how it looks. It says Pokemon trading card game. It's for 6+ years old. And this is how the back looks like. Okay. Can you read this? What does it say here?
It's a temporal. It's a Sacred and Violet Temporal Forces foil pack.
Foil pack. It says get ready to battle. Get in on the latest Pokemon TCG action with an awesome booster pack. 3 promo cards featuring a full evolution chain, a cool Pokemon coin to add to your collection, and a code card for Pokemon TCG Live. So it contains 1 Scarlet and Violet Temporal Forces booster pack, 3 promo cards, 1 Pokemon coin, and a code card for the Pokemon TCG Live. Okay?
Now we're gonna open it.
Open it.
So.
Can you help with it?
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna open it. Here.
Wow.
These are the foil cards. This is the.
So cute.
This is the
Read it. Can you look at it?
This is
Open. Look at it na lang.
This is Togekiss and this is Togepi, and this is Tongetek, and this is the card.
The coin. And this one is the code.
This is the code for the ticket.
For the game online.
It's just live.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna open 1 pack of the Temporal Forces Sacred and Violet.
Cool. Put it here on display. Wow. Make sure your hands clean.
Yeah.
Okay.
There. Okay, remove both 1 card because this is the basic energy.
Let's show it.
This is the basic energy, the original.
You have this?
Yeah. Ready? Go.
Oh. Okay, one by one. You have to show it.
This one.
Okay.
Here. This is here. I have some of these.
It's okay. You have this already?
Yeah. Yeah, that's Velar.
This is
Sharpedo.
You have this already?
Yeah. Terragos. See, one of these cards involves from the other.
Evolved from the
See?
other.
This
Oh.
involves.
Evolved from
Yeah.
the other.
Okay, I haven't seen this here.
Wow, you have this now?
No.
So this is a new one. Oh wow.
Okay.
It's what do you call this? When it's
This is
metallic?
a shiny card. Shiny card.
And then it's like metallic look.
Yeah.
When you shine, when light
Okay,
shines,
like
hits it.
this. There. That's how. Yeah.
What is that?
Electabuzz.
It's a gold card, Sebi.
It's a gold card.
It's awesome. Okay, let's
It's
show them.
it's an electric Pokemon.
Let's show them how it reflects. Like this. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah.
Okay. There's another good one.
Wow. It's like rainbow. Like
It's an Asian card.
cool. What's it called?
It's an Asian card.
It's
I had it.
Roaring Moon.
Yeah, I had it before, but they sold it.
You sold it? How much?
What is cool?
How much did you sell it? 5 pesos? You sold it for 5 pesos?
Yeah.
Just 5 pesos?
Bruh.
Okay, don't sell it for 5 pesos. It's worth a lot.
Okay. I miss this card.
Okay, now you have it back. Are you happy you have it back?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you like more unboxing, please hit the like button and then share button and subscribe button.
Okay.
Okay?
See you later.